Hello everyone, so today in this video I will share a website that helped me to learn C++ with simple way. So in this video I don't focus on any videos from YouTube or recommended channel YouTube. So this video of recommended and shared website that helped me to learn C++. So let's get started. So first website called Scholarhat. Scholarhat is a website that's destined for the beginners who want to learn C++ with clear program. And also for free. So this website I really recommend it for the beginners who want to learn C++. So here include the most popular topics on C++, like so first it must introductions and also the condition statements, array and pointers, function, and the object-oriented programming. And in this website, you have some quiz to do. So if you are a beginner and interested to learn C++ with clear path, I recommend this website for you. So it's called Scholarhat. Second is not a website, but it's a repository from GitHub called C++ Learning Resource. So this is not destined for the beginner, but someone who has a good level on C++ and he want to learn advanced or intermediate topics on C++, like memory management, like multi-threadings. So this repository allow to learn this. For example, here we have the STL on C++, some advanced topic like multi-threadings, time in C++, in C++, sorry. So as I said, memory management and application design. So just for example, if you are interested with application design, just click on these topics and he show you all what you need to learn on topics you want. So the third website called Code Academy. So this website not focused just on C++, but you can learn Python, you can learn Java, you can learn JavaScript, also some tools like Git. But for me, I learned C++ from this website because it allows you when you finish the course, you get certifications. And this certification you can share on your LinkedIn profile, add on your CV. So this website is really awesome and also include projects, the most important things. So after you finish courses, he include a project to practice some concept on real project. So Code Academy learning C++ for free is really awesome. Another website called Codex. So this website is my favorite and I maybe first recommend it for you and if someone who wants something challenge to learn. Because this website is not normal, but he include some level for you and some budget. So if you finish, for example, topics of variable, you get some point, and this challenge you to complete the course. Also, you can compete someone who on the same course with you. So this website called Codex is really awesome if you love something challenging, you want something to motivate you to finish the course. So this website is really awesome. I wish someone tell me this website before. So another website is not destined for the beginner, but it focus on data structure and algorithms and focus on data structure, as I said, an algorithm in C++ with simple way and explain with examples. So if you don't know, data structure and algorithms is the most popular and most concept on the computer science, and you should to master this topics, and a lot of people see some difficulty to understand or practice these topics. So Pluralsight is one of the websites that include this course for destined for the intermediate people that already know how to program with C++, but he want to know deep about some uh, data structure like array, like linked list, like queue, like tree. So this website allow you to learn their structure and algorithms with simple way. Another website called Class Central focus on object-oriented programming. And object-oriented programming is the second topics you learn after basic of programming, because this concept, these topics you will need when you start working. So, if you are interested with object-oriented programming and free courses, so this class structure allow you to know, to study and understand object-oriented programming. Another website called Codefinity. Codefinity is focus on the assignment of object-oriented programming. So he give you quiz and also exercise to do that allow you to understand where the concept of object-oriented programming, like inheritance, like encapsulation, abstractions. So how can you can declare the object, how you can build classes, the type of inheritance. So Codefinity is really awesome. So don't worry about the link of the website. I will add on the description when finish this video. Also, another website called Solo Learn. This website also offers C++ for beginner and the object-oriented in C++. You can also get the certifications from this website, but this website is just give you general information of object-oriented programming, not with deep on each topics, but it's good for beginner. Now we go to project. So there is a popular repository on GitHub called project-based learning. So this repository is awesome. Don't also focus on C++, but for example, if you want to practice project of any language programming you want, you just check this repository called project-based learning. So this repository, for example, we pick C or C++, and it display all the project, not must to do, but at least you can pick project you like and start to build from the documentation of the project, because the documentation, as you can see, for example here we pick the project we want to write share in C, for example. So this give you all documentation of the project and all the step you want to make to build the project. So another, for example, project like let's see someone write your own virtual machine. So this, as I can see, he displayed the documentation of the project, all what you need, how you can build, how what is the prerequisite for the project, what you should to know before start the project as concept or topics or tools you should to install on your computer. So this repository is really awesome, but here I can add my note destinated for the intermediate to advanced developer. So it's not for the beginner, because it's not logic for someone beginner can write shell in C or in C++. So this for the repository project-based learning. And we finish with this website called Skills. And here he display the top 31 C++ project idea for beginner to advanced. So here include some beginner project can write with C++. So let's see something beginner. For example, here you can build game console applications called TikTok, temperature converter, simple ETM interface. So this interface will be on console, like it will be on the command like this. Also, let's see someone easy like calculator, CGPA calculator. Also some here also this easy project you can do as beginner after learn C++, casino number guessing game. So this website for me that really helped me to learn C++ before, and the most website I enjoy is Codex and C++ Code Academy. So in this video, if you see this information or resource help you, don't forget to like and subscribe channel for more videos, for more language programming. I can share resource about it, also some videos from YouTube. So don't forget to like my Facebook page and also my Twitter account and my LinkedIn profile. Thank you for watching and good luck for you.